3-in-1 for a new one. And this is an autoclavable one, so it's stuck on, you can't take it off. With 2 options here, you can depressurize the system, or you can use a pair of vein clamps to manually isolate the syringe. Then you want to depressurize it, so there's no pressure held in the syringe. Remove the old syringe hose off the syringe. Cut a little bit off the end so you've got some nice fresh hose to use. Grab the collar and put it over, and then push on the 2 hoses. Chances are, sod's law, you've got them the wrong way round. You can just disconnect hoses and switch them round. And I've got them the right round on this occasion, which is quite nice. And then you just screw the body back on, and job done.